Good morning, guys, from BGC. We're just here for the weekend, and we just want to show you our Airbnb. So this is our view, and here's my girls. There's Fifi. Be careful with the floor, okay, Fifi? And good morning, my big baby. Let me show you guys around here real quick. So this right here is the kitchen area, and my queen right here is making some breakfast for us. Some coffee and some peanut butter bread. And look at this view, guys. Look at this view. This was my workspace area last night. I got some stuff done, but that's my workspace area. And so I kind of flipped it around so I can have a good view of BGC. And the kids are watching Miss Rachel, Christmas edition. Hey, baby. What? What's wrong? What's wrong? I thought you were watching Miss Rachel. Okay, go down. Go down. Daddy's making a house tour. Anyways, there's the couch right here. And that's actually where I slept last night. Because after I finished working, I couldn't make it up these stairs. I couldn't make it up these stairs, guys. So let me show you guys the upstairs. So we're gonna go up here. It's 2 levels. Okay, so right here. And then of course this is the main area here from the stairs. You wanna come up with me, Pipa, show them the upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's follow this girl right here. It's my big baby. Okay. Whoa, watch out there. Watch out there, baby. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show them the bathroom here. Uh-oh, I got my shorts in here. So anyways, they got the bathtub here. And of course you can shower and bathe with a view. Which I can't even talk right now, but the window is kind of dirty. Let's show them the small room right here. Right here, if you go to the right, when you go upstairs, this is a small room here. And if you want, you can see how tall you are. Let's check. Let's see how tall you are. Pipa is 100, 6 centimeters. Or, is that right, meters? Something like that. Okay, so this is a small room, guys. But you can see there's some shelves there.
What?
I don't think anyone used this room last night. And then our AC unit right here. Okay, look, here's Fifi. Look at this room right here. Whoa. This is where my girls slept last night. You can't really see right now the really nice view from here because the windows are all fogged up because it's they kept it nice and cold here. So I can show you here this side. Oh, this is nice view right here. I'm not sure what that tower is.
Daddy.
Yes. Oh, look, see, there's a little park right there, guys.
Look at that.
But this is our view. The window's a little dirty, guys. I ain't lying.
Look, it's open
I'm not gonna lie.
already. Dad, it's open already. I want to see.
What do you want to see? Oh yeah, I opened it up, so hoping that the windows will clear up a little bit, but it didn't. But anyways, this is the other side.
Daddy, I want to open it, but
That
I can
is,
see.
you can see what kind of buildings those are. And
Dad, I can see.
if you look all the way in the distance there's McDo.
What, my dog?
And if you go all the way down here, this is where the high street is. the BGC High Street.
Daddy.
So this is we're on 23rd and 5th Street. Okay, guys. And then yes, baby.
I want to open
It's already open. It's as open as much as it can
this.
open.
Daddy,
All right, so there's this side right here. It's got its own AC unit too.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. See, I might get in trouble over here. What?
I can open this.
No, we're gonna close that because that's
I can stay like this.
yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go downstairs.
No.
Come on.
No.
So that's a bedroom, guys. This is and then we got some shelves up there. Okay.
What's that?
So that's the room here. All right, let's go.
I was scared.
Here I am. All right. But that's it, guys. This is where we stayed while we were in BGC. Well, we actually stayed at another place, but
Scared.
we had such a bad experience checking in. The place was nice, but oh man, first impressions. I mean, first impressions mean a lot. So we're going back downstairs here, having some breakfast, and then soon we're gonna be out of here. We gotta go back home because my big girl has school today. Uh oh, I see someone's bottle down there. Look at this girl messing up the house already. Look at that. You need to put that bread inside the garbage because it's went on the floor already. All right, guys. So say goodbye, everyone. Say bye, everyone.
Say bye.
Fifi, say bye. Say bye-bye. All right. Oh, say bye-bye. Okay. Got coffee right here. That's it, guys. I think we're gonna stay here again next time we're back here in BGC. We had a great experience. Okay, take care. Bye-bye, Rachel.